Well, hello there, it's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. It is definitely high time for me to work in my art journal, so I took one of my chipboard pages. I already added some white gesso to it, and now I start by using acrylic paint to create a simple background. And yes, this whole project is going to be simple. And I know I use this word often in my videos, but today it's absolutely true. Here I am using a sponge just to get rid of some of the extra paints. Now I happen to have a few of these fluid or liquid acrylic paints. Some were given to me by a friend. They are from Finnebear, and I found a few of these little testing bottles by Golden at a local thrift store. So I don't have too many different colors, but the ones I have are nice and bright, and they definitely behave just a little bit different than ordinary ones. So those are the acrylics I will use today here, together with some water, as I just want to create some random colorful background, and I think it turned out all right. And next I will be creating a bit of texture, nothing too wild or crazy, something thin, something that can easily live in my art journal. So I first picked just some cheesecloth and I used my Mod Podge to attach it. And after that's stuck and dry, I clip the edges and add a piece of this paper measuring tape. And after that's stuck and dry, well, I think from here on I let you just listen to some music and keep an eye on my captions. There you will find all the materials I will be using, anything you need explaining, and I will definitely talk to you toward the end. Enjoy the process. Next, I use my brown archival ink and a script stamp just to add a bit more detailing to the background. And here you get a little close up. And then I have this image. This was given to me by a friend a few years ago. It's on a tag. I really like the image itself, but the little hole on the top is actually printed into it. So I can't get rid of it. So I'm thinking, well, I could paint over it. So as you can see, I first add a little bit of gesso and then I just try to recreate the hat, and I add the same color also to the shirt just to make it all fit together, and I think it gives it more brightness, and I can get rid of that hole on the top there without cutting off his head. So I'm already done. I told you it was going to be something simple. To put this together took me maybe an hour, whereas my assemblages sometimes take me days to complete. Of course, I had to at least add some texture, and I like the dividing line, and especially the clock hands and the clock face allowed me to tell a story. And I love this little image, and I believe the added colors work really well. I'm actually not sure if this is a she or he. Either case, it is someone that enjoys the night. Now, this page is definitely a weird combination of vintage, bright colors, and grunge, but at the end, I think it harmonizes together pretty well. Thank you so very much for visiting with me today. I hope you enjoyed the process. I will be back latest by next Friday, and I hope you will be back too. Until then, bye bye for now.